Hi guys, today we will talk about how to choose your friends you don't want them to see your profile photo on your WhatsApp app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for us window like this, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here and you just click here on privacy. Then it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do now, just click here on profile photo here. Then it's going to take you here in this window, you just click here my contact expect, and it's going to take you to your contact, and you choose friends you don't want them to see your profile photo, and when you just click here it's going to show for your contact. So that's all you have to do, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.